Hello. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This Vera TV program in the building. Good morning, good afternoon. I greet you all. I appreciate you all. This Vera TV program in the building. I appreciate you all for what you have been doing. I appreciate you all for my real subscriber, my real fans, my real people. God bless you all, and I appreciate you all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, Vera TV program, Pursue the Enter House TV, and Vera Comedy TV. I appreciate you all for what you have done. I appreciate all my real fans, my real people all over the world. I appreciate you all. So now, my people will get ogbonge matter we want to talk about today. Although I suppose do one for live video, but the lady, it be like who they shame. So I don't want force and come live video, you know. The person not say okay, we'll talk like that. I know the first word for person must say because of you. No. When I was saying my people, this morning I also received a call of a lady. I first introduce my channel, my people, man and others. So this video is going to Pursue the Enter House TV. Thank you for subscribing to Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, if you are not subscribed, please don't fail to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV so that anything that is going on here, you will be updated. Subscribe and press that bell. You will know until they go for Pursue the Enter House. And this video that I'm doing right now is going to Pursue the Enter House TV. So listen, anytime you see any video from my Pursue the Enter, don't ignore it. Yeah, that Pursue the Enter House now where be say message they come. Will be say many people will learn, many people will still learn from there. You understand me, my beautiful people? So I suppose you can do live video for Pursue the Enter House TV. Just that the time now and morning. I don't know that will get chance later in the day. So I just need to use and do short video and post it on Pursue the Enter House TV. So back to our Gmonge topic, my people. So this morning I just received a call. I was like, I hope be this way they call me. Now I go pick the call, my people. So as I pick her, I go say na a lady, she dey cry. I go say, hello. Why you dey cry this early morning? Something around 8 this morning. She just dey cry and I say, why you dey cry? She no fit on. I say, cool down, talk to me. You called me, talk to me, not cry. So I was trying to pet her so that she can explain because she know why she called me. So now I go take cool and I go say, me not cry, me talk to me. With solution good day. So now she can't tell me say, a man, your husband when they gather they has. Say the man not they let her rest, you know they give her rest of mind. Of which she not too well, she dey sick. She not too well. Now Male she dey, and she get too picking. So the man, the way they maltreat her. Because he said, because my people, why I want to bring this message to my Pursue the Enter House TV. Men, more not be careful because men, I don't want to make her start to the disgorgon. If I start to the disgorgon, I don't go like me. Because this woman, the cry will cry this morning, touch my heart. Because if I look, my people, the way the woman, what she talk, my people, he say he get to picky for this man. The way this man they maltreat her, the way this man they cause problem, hard work to her life, of which she not too decent. In fact, the thing don't get as it be. Now I say, what happen? He say every time I the man they do anyhow. Get anyhow. This man they shit up and down. I brought sickness there for crying out loud. He said this man they shit one. 2, this man go come up for house. Sometimes 4 days, 5 days, he not go come house. He say go sleep outside, go they follow all those boys who never get woman. You know when boy, you man when he get wife for house. You go not be man when he see get wife for house, go they follow. You go they follow those boys who never get direction. When we say they never get wife, they never even know when they want to settle down. The sister said the husband I they follow. Now they follow the main friend. He said if they yoko, the girl when they just sleep with that day, that girl will call great and you go no now when he get big yash. He said now be the discussion when this man they discuss. Now say you know they work. He said wait for the work. He said work he said January to March. He said stop, you not work again. What happen? Say he tired. Just sit down for us. Problem wahala. He said, boys, now you're the caller. Mo will go so place now. Mo will go birthday now. Mo will stroll now. Mo will go drink now. He said, now wait till the man just they do with that. He said, if you don't do and finish, you don't go carry the remaining frustration, couple for her body. He said, also they sleep with women up and down. Sometimes 2 days, 3 days, not go come house. He go sleep outside. He said, go your caller. Say, you know, she said they come house. So he said, if your caller go your cut score, you know they come house. He said until the time when he might take reach ground, now this man will take us. If he talk, he go use swear this way for him. If he talk, he go this way for him. If he talk, he go this way for him. He said I be bearing this thing for some time for some years. Then they try okay, maybe he go change. He say no gree change. Okay, may you go find work, may you work so that you go dey busy. He said this man work January till March, he won't work again. Not be August with this one. He said this man not plan to work, he not plan to find work. The worst part when this man they do, he said that every day this man go dey bring quarrel. Wait, he said now woman now ask now woman supposed to dey bring quarrel for us. He said this you now he dey cry, they tell me now say me she don't cry. He said now this man they bring quarrel for us. Waiting no reach anything, this man go nye. He said there is some men they nye matter cha. He said this man go nye matter nye. They go pray, they go dark. They go pray, they go dark. Matter wey don't pass. Like 1 week, he said this man go break up. He go begin call the teller, so you call teller this one, now so you call teller this one, now so now you call tell this one, why you call tell me like that? He said whether she go forget the one when he tell her. He said my sister, she not the man, she not the drink. He go carry all the cussing man. He said but this man go you carry this sort follow her. Go work, you not go work. Use the life to do better if now hospital in one leg, not teach you this man fit do. Now to just that collect money, he don't finish. Begin they follow boys when not get wife, boy now when never get when not even get girlfriend, they not get woman. Now he husband, they follow, they make friends. The worst part, small boys. Now they follow up and down. He say quarrel. I say what it can happen to their own. Now she can settle down. My people begin call the Nyami story say. He said whether on Saturday, yes. He said on Saturday. One of his friend called Colin. Whether na what he called the name or the friend name, whether na Moses, I be what he call be Samuel. Yeah, that's Samuel Moses. Now he called the boy. No. He said the boy your Colin. As your call that was Saturday, because that was Saturday, they be so okay, they go as on Saturday now normal. We say family, you know, see carry your family out, now we don't children go see stroll for garden this summer now. Everybody or you go everywhere, they full, they come outside so far. If you reach some kind play one and once it settled and it's close nose. He said on Saturday, courage that was 3 days ago. Saturday, not today, not Monday, Saturday, day before yesterday, Saturday. He said this man, he and I thought okay, they go as many they see carry their 2 pikin go play. He said the man say phone. He call they call okay, maybe around 4 to 5 when someone they come down small, they will stroll at. He said they don't eat finish, they don't bath. He said never your ten they don't bath finish, they don't eat. He said if the man for your ring, as your ring, the boy whether I might to be some your color. So also person they do birthday. Make you ready, you they come now. They do birthday. More you meet for there or pekete baby they there. All those on because he said when they make the call, my people. May not cause you can't leave and make the call finish. He said as he can't make the call finish. He said now so you do say he want to go meet a friend somewhere, something like that. They do bed. Now she called and say, yeah, you they go, you want to go, you they come out. But we be say we want to go outside. Why you want to leave and now go they do another person? Oh, my people, where this woman for do rock, more will talk am. Because those men with their hair not correct, I'll begin to deal with them now. So he said now he called and say, you want yours come out like that woman supposed to talk. What I say, you want yours come out like that, you're not supposed to come out, more will still go now. He said, which mouth did the woman get? He said, not to say whether a friend call and say, you want to go see a friend. Now she called her and say, we be supposed to go carry those children, go play. He said, so you have to wear clothes, you come out. He said, as he come out, he not call him, he said, not say call him. When the call come back, now he called her and say, why you they do like this? We suppose carry those children play. You come on and at midnight you got a house. Those kinds when they do so, it no good. It's not even cause. He understand and say, what do they do so no good? These children, these 2 pikin now we got that born. We still need to see they take the commerce of not only inside. The woman take do wrong, I take do bad, my people. He said now he cause her nothing they not when he say they don't the dark, when they know they hear their voice. He said now he call reduce when he call quiet. He said the man talk. He said no me pain, me fights no come, me problem no come, children don't sleep. He said now he take quiet. He said then that was Saturday come pass. Then Sunday they come break for Sunday. He said Sunday he not could bring the matter. He never thought okay, make them go outside. Make them say okay, oh yeah, may we go those kind of things. Make them go outside. He said she not come even bring her come again because he don't want quarrel or fight of it. He don't know whether the investigation still there this man mind. He said now so he take quiet. They cause he play cook, they play proof him, they wash all those kind of things. That was Sunday yesterday. He said they can't play, they can't do everything. He said when they don't do everything, say he bring food, say they eat, the children eat, he carry the children to pikin, they go sleep, boy and a girl carry, they go sleep for their room, different room. So today na Monday, my people, more na dey here. He say no say today na Monday. Yesterday na stroke, this Monday don already enter after 12. That is, we already day Monday. Now he say no, he don't tire, make she go sleep. Now he tell her say, there you never go sleep. He come and say, there you never go sleep. He say no, say never sleep. He wants to watch movie, my people. He say now she tell him her papa when there is no quarrel, no fight, no argument, no insult. He said, I'm so tell us, okay, may go sleep. Because why? Tomorrow the two children don't start school. So the children don't start school, don't resume. The children go school, my people. Now she tell him, I got us, okay, you want to go sleep, you never ready to sleep. Say make it go. Now he take enter school, go sleep. He say, yo, they sleep, my people. Waiting cause and when come in this morning, I be this way this woman they cry, yo. He said that they do this thing every week when children take they go school. Now this man they carry quarrel, they follow. Midnight you go, they carry quarrel, follow. Make the woman for sleep. Make for not carry children go school. So that made they forgot they thought say the woman a lazy woman. The woman don't know how to take care of it to pikin. Make for pull bad name for the woman body. Wanna see what happen. She cause say the one way pain and when she they explain to me when she they cries to. He said now you go sleep. Oh my people. As he sleep something, he sleep something around after 12. He says something around after 1 hour plus. He don't sleep because he tired, he don't sleep. So that he go quick wake up early in the morning, take care of two pikin, carry them go school. He say, oh yeah, person, you tap. Now she wake up. He say, when you wake up, you the open eye for her say, now me you tell like this. Now me you dey insult. Now me you dey talk say, now you dey use all the money. Now you dey talk say, now you do this one. Now you dey talk say. He said the teacher can sleep all day. He called the look and zoom. No one person wake person for inside sleep. My people will know how the pain it is. Woman for that matter when one kind children go school tomorrow. He said the thing no clear. He said they knock whether he they take her for he they play with her. As he come look and say the husband want the open eye. Now she take quickly get up. She go sit down because he don't know the action when he want take. Now he call the toss. Wait till see happen again with sleep for her. He call it wait till happen again. Where you be no get quarrel. I be not bring matter of day before yesterday come. Why now? When you call the bring the matter, call the wake up for say, and you know say children go school tomorrow and this morning. Why you call the wake up? He said which match she get. He said the man you're the shadow for night. Oh my people, the house people there the house so. He said the man you're the shadow. The thing call it. He go say yeah. Which kind human be you be? Wait till I can still do you. I bet let me make I sleep. He said where the woman for the sleep. He said whether he sleep with the woman. The woman say yeah. But he not disturb you, make you not sleep. He said matter cause when the woman thought the word nonsense when the woman tell us it's Saturday. When you not take care the woman come out with children, the woman not still complain. Now he come bring. You not bring him on Sunday, oh. Wake him up. Saturday so Sunday morning, oh. He called the wake him up when you know say they did today. Now Monday when he be say go carry children go school. Just to spoil her name, he don't they do her for so long. If you want quarrel with her, weekdays when he be say children go school, you need to do the necessary for children so that they feel go school successfully. He said now that matter they break quarrel to distract her. He said she's the always they pray to God. Make she know your mind, maybe she know your mind. Whether because she dey quiet, he could be say whether he can't say na mumu, na he can't say wait he could be all those one. I sleep me and you not get quarrel. Now me supposed to evil the verse. Ah my God, all those wicked men, all those women, mona be careful. Because this morning, this woman, they cry myself at the shed tears. At the shed tears, all my heart, just the pepper me say, why? He said, now he suppose even they cry and Sister Vera. Now he suppose even they verse at me. Now he suppose to even they quarrel with her say, he promise and he fail and the children. He come out, follow Samuel, go birthday party, we don't know who they do. Now he suppose they verse, but she no verse. And she don't see bring her come on Sunday, make quarrel no come. For peace to reign. More than they hear what is some shameless and heartless men they do for Europe. Because we know say some women get at the day. Why some men, they are evil and heartless. He said the thing covers and I call it say, I beg, leave me. He said the man you the shake boo. Wait till you they talk. For midnight. When you know so you both did the house. When you know say people did the house. He said the man you the shake. The man you the shake. He said, now he called the shake. Say, I beg no call kill me. She not 2 days for free, she not work since I made the marriage she did. Although she did on medication. of which this man know. He said, I beg not call me. He said, now he take shot, say, hey, I beg, leave me, no. Or you bona, maybe when they take hear the shot, and they come notice, say, now the man voice that they hear pass. If I say neighbor, come notice that the man voice that they hear pass. If I say the man, now they worry the woman. Now neighbor call police. When I see what some men they do for our brother, now neighbor call police. Police come. They can't go, if I say police, no you enter. They go there around, they observe. They can't really see, say, Ibra say now the man, now they disturb the woman. Because the person call the hear say, the woman, they say, why they disturb me now? Children go school tomorrow. You leave me alone, I don't sleep before. Why you call the woman those kind of matter? You know now. That's say police come observe everything when they go on. So you know say normal when police go enter us, maybe that two of them read the fight, maybe they just fight themselves. When police enter, it go say they will control the man, they will control the woman. So now the woman say when police come enter us, 3 of them, he say now police call us come. The man just stand up. As he stand up, now they say make sit down. If he stand up again, as he stand up, now they say make he sit down. Say she calls suffering, come they look them. Now they tell her say make he bring the documents come. Your husband come. Say now they take collect your husband for your hand. He said now see wicked and heartless husband. This woman what they talk so. He said when they come collect the husband, he said now the man can't tell the police say why not the police not collect his wife home. Now the police come tell and say you are not the one that will tell us what to do. He said now they take control only in husband. He heard it come correct. Now they come tell and say we don't want to hear voice again. Sleep. So lucky God went save the woman. Children they sleep. And the woman is already he does sleep. Sleep. He said sleep every day when police come. He said now they call the person people they see they don't know say sometimes when neighbor call police. You know so when neighbor take call police so they don't know say neighbor don't call police. You know when police go come they will stay for door. They will listen the both side. May they hear whether the woman find trouble, whether not the man. So they say maybe now that they are two just want fight themselves, maybe they'll for control the husband and the wife. So if I said when they take the door, maybe because we say wait till late when they talk, I say, why you can't wake me for sleep? Me don't sleep, children go school this morning. Now you offend me, now you just consider the verse with me. Now you consider they wake me for sleep, they you slap till they bolo my body. Now wait till I don't know. Police they hear English, my people. If I say now police continue no say that woman she is innocent. She don't look for trouble and she don't pet the 2 picky boy and a girl put for sleep in case tomorrow they are going to school. They will go school tomorrow. Now they take control the man paper. Now they can't tell the man say you are warned. You are warned. Say now they warn the man for her presence. He said they call they go. Police call say choose. Now they can't tell the woman she choose. Make the woman he say now he calls okay. He said as he can't follow the police reach the mouth my people wicked man oh. He said I can't tell the police say now your wife they find trouble. Now your wife voice you're the lad. Now your wife you're the shot. He said now police tell and say shh, go back and sleep. You see character. They say character and smoke when it be say, you don't get how you want to hide them. He said 2 times, then police tell her make it sit down. As they enter, the woman, she said she sit down. He said police stand, then police say sit down. He said she sits down again, then police say sit down. So shows the character is very dirty. And they don't go notice or don't say, now he caused the problem, now he they worry the woman, now he they find the woman trouble. Now he made they control only the man, they leave the woman. Because no man, they're supposed to control their two. They can't control the man, they can't leave the woman. So what they use this one, they mean, say, all those wicked men, when Ogun go key, when God go punish, because I don't want to swear for men. Una know me. If women do it no good, that they deal with them. Also men, if una want call they see they do una want they do pass themselves, I will see start to the pepper una. This woman call me this morning, she's crying. Around 8, he don't go drop his children for school. He said she heard the connect. She said make he call me, make he explain to me because if they do now she come out now with 2 pikin. They say na pikin money they hungry and to shop. She want become single mother, of which we know there are many women outside bearing all those nonsense, bearing all those domestic violence. So I wonder why man your own blood now say na him body because say na him born the 2 pikin for boy na be senior, girl na be second. Na him born her for. He no carry belle can't give her. He no born for another man can't give her. But you don't know why they treat her like that. When they see wicked and heartless men, where I use this word me now, this woman. that man, I go collect the woman for number for your hand. I go swear for that man, because as you see me so, I hate nonsense. Now see that woman that day when they do rubbish, when they bought 3 children, 3 per month, I tell you do a matter. Now so I be. If man now what call the 2 powders, I will treat you na fuck up. Because at the end of the day, money they had to eat. Now she tell me say if you eat or tired, boy they look children eye, they look children eye. She they look children eye, she they look 2 children eye. A senior, a boy and a girl. She they look their eye, she they look their eye. But this man want do something, he no go look the children eye. The woman was sharing tears. It's unfair. It's very bad. He say if he come out now, the end of the day, single mother they hungry and she want shop money. But people don't know what she's bearing. People don't know what she they pass through. Of which we know say so many women don't want to be a single mother. But some men I just see the cause her. Like this woman, if you come on, leave her now with 2 pikin. That's why single mother they hungry and single mother go reach you day. All those men when you want to take time. And men when they follow single boys, they go in, no say men boy when not marry. He said a boy when not marry, then they follow the waka. Why they follow boy when not marry the waka? He said na their house, then they carry the women they go. He said also boys when not get woman, and they see man they follow the waka. He said you can never see her with man when you get wife or family, because me that one not answer what they do to your wife not good. Because those who are not get, they don't have good advice for him. He said so because they carry the women, they go those single boys as. He said that what make her they follow them, they go. Do you call a party though? Do you call a birthday though? Do you call one single mother they do birthday? Do you call one big nyash they do birthday? He said, "Now what they call a man for?" My people, which woman that kind of thing not go face? For a president, they go discuss woman when they get big nyash, when not get big nyash. As black women, they come party, as they do birthday, as the boy go say that one you sleep with her, you give her €5, you sleep with the woman you they shake her, now the woman you they blink eye for her. He said nonsense talk. He said they try to block her ear. But see here, this man will see the cause. So my people, God go bless. I don't want to make this video too long. It's going to pursue the entire TV. So maybe if we do a video about it, I never know. So my beautiful people, please give your comment below. Drop your comment whether what this man they do to this woman when he born a boy and a girl for her, whether what they do to this woman, whether he good. This woman called me this early morning. I know she was crying, was sharing tears. Men make una change. At the end, I say women not good, whereas now not good. Most of them, not all, most of some of them, they're not good. They get heartless and wicked mind when they not take the fee for person or to fee for woman. It's not good. So I want to end this video for you. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to Vera TV program. Please don't forget to subscribe to Pursue the Entire TV and Vera Comedy TV. Subscribe to this channel. Now here you go to hear Ogboge news, Ogboge matter. When you subscribe, please try to press that bell. I'm going to give you notification and alert so that anything they do here, you will be updated. You will follow up. So thank you all. I appreciate you. All right, guys. I'm about to go now. Please drop your comment below. What did this man do to this woman this morning? He say I'll be doing it, whether it's good. Thank you very much. I'm about to go now. Bye.